Building Construction and Materials MCQs. Multiple choice questions and answers. Building Construction and Materials MCQs with answers and explanations. 1. Chemical classification of rocks involves analyzing which aspect? A. Color. B. Structural features. C. Mineral composition. D. Hardness. Answer: C. Mineral composition. Explanation: the chemical characteristics of rocks are determined by their mineral composition, which also serves as the basis for their chemical categorization. 2. Which of the following is not a type of rock based on physical classification? A. Stratified rocks. B. Unstratified rocks. C. Foliated rocks. D. Sedimentary rocks. Answer: D. Sedimentary rocks. Explanation: rocks are classified physically into three main types: stratified rocks, and foliated rocks. Sedimentary rocks are not a physical classification of rocks. 3. Which of the following is a type of rock based on chemical classification? A. Igneous rocks. B. Siliceous rocks. C. Sedimentary rocks. D. Metamorphic rocks. Answer: B. Siliceous rocks. Explanation: siliceous rocks are a chemical classification of rocks. Others are the geological classification of rocks. 4. Which stone is often used as a basic material for making cement? A. Limestone. B. Sandstone. C. Slate. D. Granite. Answer: A. Limestone. Explanation: one essential component of cement, which is made from limestone, is concrete, which is used in buildings. 5. In building construction, which type of stone is typically used for roofing due to its ability to be split into thin sheets? A. Marble. B. Slate. C. Limestone. D. Granite. Answer: B. Slate. Explanation: slate is a perfect material for roofing tiles because it can be divided into thin, strong sheets. 6. Which of the following qualities is essential for a good building stone? A. Softness. B. Porosity. C. Texture. D. High water absorption. Answer: C. Texture. Explanation: a good building stone should have a compact fine crystalline structure that should be free from cavities, cracks, or patches of stuff or loose material. 7. What characteristic distinguishes granite from other stones in construction? A. Porosity. B. Hardness. C. Color variation. D. Flexibility. Answer: B. Hardness. Explanation: granite is renowned for its extraordinary hardness, which makes it incredibly durable and appropriate for a range of building uses, including floors and worktops. 8. Which stone is commonly used in construction for its fire-resistant properties? A. Sandstone. B. Basalt. C. Marble. D. Slate. Answer: B. Basalt. Explanation: when it comes to construction, basalt is a chosen material for building foundations and insulation because of its great fire resistance. 9. Which type of grading curve indicates a well-graded aggregate? A. Steep curve. B. Uniform curve. C. Horizontal curve. D. Gradual curve. Answer: D. Gradual curve. Explanation: a gradual grading curve indicates a well-graded aggregate, where particles are distributed across a range of sizes. 10. What is the purpose of grading aggregates in construction? A. To increase the cost of construction. B. To enhance the workability of concrete. C. To improve the aesthetics of concrete. D. To reduce the strength of concrete. Answer: B. To enhance the workability of concrete. Explanation: grading aggregates help achieve a better distribution of particle sizes, resulting in improved workability of concrete mixes. 11. Coarse aggregates primarily provide which characteristic of concrete? A. Workability. B. Strength. C. Surface finish. D. Density. Answer: B. Strength. Explanation: they provide the cement paste a framework to adhere to, and coarse aggregates strengthen the overall structural integrity of the concrete. 12. What effect does an excess of fine aggregates have on concrete? A. Decreases workability. B. Increases strength. C. Reduces shrinkage. D. Improves durability. Answer: A. Decreases workability. Explanation: they require more water to achieve adequate compaction. Too many fine particles in a concrete mix can make it less workable. 13. Lime is a key component in the manufacture of which material in building construction? A. Cement. B. Steel. C. Glass. D. Asphalt. Answer: A. Cement. Explanation: as a binding agent that helps concrete form, lime is a necessary component in the production of cement. 14. What role does iron oxide play in the manufacturing process of building materials? A. Provides color. B. Increases strength. C. Reduces corrosion. D. Enhances insulation. Answer: A. Provides color. Explanation: depending on its shape and concentration, iron oxide may give concrete, bricks, and tiles a variety of hues. 15. What is the primary purpose of magnesia in certain building materials? A. Enhancing durability. B. Providing insulation. C. Increasing hardness. D. Improving flexibility. Answer: B. Providing insulation. Explanation: magnesia can enhance the thermal insulation properties of certain building materials, making them suitable for applications requiring heat resistance. 16. What is the primary objective of digging clay during preparation for building construction? A. To increase clay's plasticity. B. To blend different clay types. C. To extract clay from natural deposits. D. To remove excess moisture. Answer: C. To extract clay from natural deposits. Explanation: digging clay involves extracting it from its natural deposits and readying it for further processing in construction activities. 17. Which step in clay preparation involves the removal of larger stones and pebbles? A. Unsoiling. B. Blending. C. Cleaning. D. Weathering. Answer: C. Cleaning. Explanation: to promote a finer consistency of clay, cleaning entails removing bigger stones, pebbles, and other dirt. 18. What is the purpose of blending in the preparation of clay for construction? A. To increase clay's plasticity. B. To remove impurities. C. To dry out the clay. D. To mix different clay types for desired properties. Answer: D. To mix different clay types for desired properties. Explanation: blending involves mixing different types of clay to achieve specific properties required for construction, such as strength or color. 19. Which type of brickmaking method typically produces bricks with more consistent dimensions and smoother surfaces? A. Hand molding. B. Machine molding. C. Ground molding. D. Extrusion molding. Answer: B. Machine molding. Explanation: machine molding typically produces bricks with more uniform dimensions and smoother surfaces compared to hand molding methods. 20. Which factor influences the effectiveness of air circulation in drying yards? A. Wind speed. B. Humidity levels. C. Ambient temperature. D. Solar radiation. Answer: A. Wind speed. Explanation: wind speed plays a crucial role in promoting effective air circulation around drying materials in yards, expediting the drying process. 21. During the burning process, which chemical reaction contributes significantly to the strength of the bricks? A. Oxidation. B. Polymerization. C. Sintering. D. Carbonization. Answer: C. Sintering. Explanation: sintering is a key chemical reaction during the burning process where particles fuse, enhancing the strength and cohesion of the bricks. 22. Which type of kiln operates in batches, heating materials periodically before allowing them to cool down? A. Intermittent kiln. B. Continuous kiln. C. Tunnel kiln. D. Shuttle kiln. Answer: A. Intermittent kiln. Explanation: materials are put into intermittent kilns, heated, and then allowed to cool before the next cycle starts. 23. What is the primary purpose of using a clamp in building construction? A. To provide structural support. B. To secure two materials together. C. To prevent the movement of materials. D. To join electrical wires. Answer: C. To prevent the movement of materials. Explanation: during construction operations, clamps are used to securely keep things in place and prevent them from moving or shifting. 24. What is the primary function of cement in construction? A. To act as a binding agent for materials. B. To provide insulation. C. To enhance the aesthetic appeal. D. To increase the weight of structures. Answer: A. To act as a binding agent for materials. Explanation: in building, cement is mostly used to join other materials to create a solid mass. 25. How does natural cement compare to artificial cement in terms of strength? A. Natural cement is stronger. B. Artificial cement is stronger. C. Strength depends on the mixing ratio. D. Both have equal strength. Answer: B. Artificial cement is stronger. Explanation: in practical use, natural cement is not as strong as artificial cement due to its lower strength. 26. What is the common name for the ordinary variety of artificial cement? A. Quick setting cement. B. Portland cement. C. High alumina cement. D. Sulfate resistant cement. Answer: B. Portland cement. Explanation: the ordinary variety of artificial cement is commonly known as Portland cement. 27. What is the main function of fine aggregate in concrete? A. To act as a filler. B. To bind the components together. C. To increase tensile strength. D. To provide hydration. Answer: A. To act as a filler. Explanation: the spaces between the coarse particles are filled with fine aggregate, often sand, giving the concrete a more compact and solid structure. 28. What role does sand play in a concrete mixture? A. It acts as a lubricant. B. It enhances the hydration process. C. It fills the voids between aggregates. D. It reduces the cost of concrete. Answer: C. It fills the voids between aggregates. Explanation: sand fills the spaces between coarse aggregates, ensuring a dense and compact concrete mix, and helping in achieving a smooth finish. 29. What is the primary advantage of using low-heat cement in large-scale concrete projects? A. Rapid setting time. B. Reduced heat generation. C. Enhanced color options. D. High early strength. Answer: B. Reduced heat generation. Explanation: large concrete pours are less likely to have thermal cracking because of the low-heat cement's formulation, which lowers the heat of hydration. 30. Which cement is specifically designed to produce concrete that can withstand acidic environments? A. White cement. B. Acid-resistant cement. C. Colored cement. D. Blast furnace cement. Answer: B. Acid-resistant cement. Explanation: resistance to acid cement is appropriate for locations exposed to acidic chemicals because it contains additives and aggregates that are resistant to acid. 31. What is the primary use of white cement? A. Marine structures. B. High-temperature applications. C. Decorative purposes. D. Structural applications. Answer: C. Decorative purposes. Explanation: because of its attractive look, white cement is employed in both architectural and ornamental contexts. 32. Which cement type is often used for its aesthetic appeal and availability in various colors? A. Colored cement. B. Blast furnace cement. C. High alumina cement. D. Pozzolanic cement. Answer: A. Colored cement. Explanation: colored cement is used for decorative purposes, providing aesthetic finishes with various color options. 33. Which property of cement makes it suitable for underwater construction? A. Rapid setting. B. Low cost. C. High strength. D. Fire resistance. Answer: A. Rapid setting. Explanation: because it hardens fast even while submerged in water, cement with rapid setting qualities is frequently utilized in underwater building projects. 34. Which admixture is commonly used to improve the permeability of concrete? A. Air entraining agent. B. Retarder. C. Accelerator. D. Plasticizer. Answer: D. Plasticizer. Explanation: concrete is pumped and placed more easily when plasticizers are added to it to improve its flowability without sacrificing strength. 35. Which of the following sources of sand is primarily composed of finely crushed rock particles? A. Pit sand. B. Sea sand. C. River sand. D. All of the above. Answer: A. Pit sand. Explanation: pit sand is obtained from excavating soil from pits or quarries, primarily consisting of finely crushed rock particles. 36. Which source of sand is commonly known for its smooth texture and rounded grains due to erosion and transportation by water? A. Pit sand. B. River sand. C. Desert sand. D. Sea sand. Answer: B. River sand. Explanation: the fine texture and rounded grains of river sand are the result of erosion and river current movement. 37. Sea sand is unsuitable for construction primarily due to its high content of A. Salt. B. Silt. C. Clay. D. Organic matter. Answer: A. Salt. Explanation: sea sand contains a high concentration of salt, which can adversely affect the strength and durability of concrete. 38. Which characteristic of sand is essential to ensure its compatibility with various construction materials? A. Chemically active. B. Chemically inert. C. Chemically volatile. D. Chemically reactive. Answer: B. Chemically inert. Explanation: sand should be chemically inert to prevent any adverse reactions with construction materials it comes into contact with. 39. What types of grains are desirable in sand for construction purposes? A. Round and smooth. B. Spherical and porous. C. Flat and elongated. D. Irregular and angular. Answer: D. Irregular and angular. Explanation: sand grains with sharp, angular, and durable characteristics provide better interlocking and stability in construction applications. 40. What type of sand is typically used for masonry works? A. Fine sand. B. Gravelly sand. C. Coarse sand. D. All of the above. Answer: A. Fine sand. Explanation: fine sand, passing through a screen with a clear opening of 1.5875 mm, is commonly utilized for masonry works. 41. What is the primary application of coarse sand? A. Plastering. B. Masonry work. C. Landscaping. D. Filtration. Answer: B. Masonry work. Explanation: Coarse sand, with a clear opening of 3.175 millimeters, is commonly used in masonry work due to its grain size. 42. What happens to the volume of sand when it is completely flooded with water? A. Increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains the same. D. Depends on the type of sand. Answer: C. Remains the same. Explanation: when sand is completely flooded with water, its volume remains practically the same as dry sand due to the particles packing near each other. 43. What factor influences the degree of bulking in the sand? A. Age of the sand particles. B. Grading of the sand. C. Color of the sand. D. Temperature of the environment. Answer: B. Grading of the sand. Explanation: the finer the material or grading of the sand, the more significant the increase in volume due to bulking. 44. What test is conducted to determine the bulking of sand? A. Tensile test. B. Compression test. C. Sieve analysis. D. Bulking test. Answer: D. Bulking test. Explanation: the bulking test is performed to measure the increase in the volume of sand due to the presence of moisture. 45. What is the primary use of timber in building construction? A. Insulation. B. Structural framework. C. Decorative finishes. D. Electrical wiring. Answer: B. Structural framework. Explanation: timber is commonly used for structural frameworks due to its strength, flexibility, and ease of construction. 46. In building construction, timber is often used for A. External cladding. B. Foundation footing. C. Underground piping. D. Soundproofing insulation. Answer: A. External cladding. Explanation: timber can be used for external cladding to provide both aesthetic appeal and weather protection. 47. Which of the following characteristics best describes endogenous trees in the context of building construction? A. They grow by adding layers inside the existing stem. B. They are primarily found in tropical regions. C. They have a simple structure with no annual rings. D. They grow by adding layers outside the existing stem. Answer: A. They grow by adding layers inside the existing stem. Explanation: endogenous trees, such as palms and bamboo, grow by adding layers internally, resulting in a solid stem structure without distinct annual rings. 48. Which type of tree is more commonly used in the construction industry for lumber and timber? A. Endogenous trees. B. Exogenous trees. C. Neither. D. Both equally. Answer: B. Exogenous trees. Explanation: exogenous trees are more commonly used in construction due to their ability to produce straight and uniform lumber with distinct annual rings. 49. Which of the following characteristics best describes softwood? A. Denser and harder. B. Typically derived from angiosperm trees. C. Contains more pores and resin canals. D. Generally more expensive due to scarcity. Answer: C. Contains more pores and resin canals. Explanation: more pores and resin canals can be found in softwood than in hardwood, which is usually sourced from gymnosperm trees. 50. What characteristic of hardwood makes it suitable for furniture making? A. High resistance to moisture. B. Lighter weight compared to softwood. C. Intricate grain patterns and textures. D. Low susceptibility to insect infestation. Answer: C. Intricate grain patterns and textures. Explanation: because of its complex grain patterns and textures, hardwood is a popular material for furniture construction. 51. Which type of wood is typically more expensive due to its slower growth rate? A. Softwood. B. Hardwood. C. Engineered wood. D. Bamboo. Answer: B. Hardwood. Explanation: the slower growth rate of hardwood trees compared to softwoods is one factor in their greater price. 52. Which layer of the tree's macrostructure is responsible for protecting the inner tissues from external damage? A. Heartwood. B. Pith. C. Bark. D. Sapwood. Answer: C. Bark. Explanation: the protective coating known as bark keeps external harm, pests, and illnesses out of the tree's internal tissues. 53. Which part of the tree's macrostructure is composed of non-living cells and provides structural support? A. Heartwood. B. Sapwood. C. Cambium. D. Pith. Answer: A. Heartwood. Explanation: the heartwood of a tree is the core section of its trunk, made up of inanimate cells that give the tree solidity and structural support. 54. Which defect in timber is primarily attributed to the action of fungi? A. Knots. B. Bows. C. Rot. D. Warping. Answer: C. Rot. Explanation: rot is a decay caused by various types of fungi, compromising the structural integrity of timber. 55. What is a defect in timber characterized by the presence of small, irregular cavities within the wood? A. Fungal decay. B. Warping. C. Insect holes. D. Checks. Answer: C. Insect holes. Explanation: insect holes are tiny cavities formed by wood-boring insects as they feed on the timber. 56. What is the purpose of dressing pig iron? A. To remove impurities through chemical reactions. B. To shape and size the pig iron for further processing. C. To extract valuable metals from the pig iron. D. To cool the pig iron after smelting. Answer: B. To shape and size the pig iron for further processing. Explanation: dressing involves shaping and sizing pig iron into forms suitable for subsequent processes like smelting. 57. Which of the following factors influences the magnetic properties of steel? A. Temperature. B. Color. C. Tensile strength. D. Density. Answer: A. Temperature. Explanation: temperature affects the alignment of magnetic domains in steel. As temperature increases, the alignment tends to break down, reducing magnetic properties. 58. Cast iron columns are commonly used in buildings for their A. Lightweight nature. B. Decorative appearance. C. Fire resistance. D. High tensile strength. Answer: C. Fire resistance. Explanation: cast iron columns are a good choice for structures where fire safety is a concern because of their exceptional fire resistance. 59. Which of the following defects is commonly associated with cast iron casting? A. Warping. B. Creep. C. Fatigue. D. Embrittlement. Answer: A. Warping. Explanation: uneven cooling rates can cause warping, a frequent casting flaw that causes the finished product to bend or deform. 60. In cast iron, the graphite flakes provide A. Corrosion resistance. B. Hardness. C. Ductility. D. Lubrication. Answer: D. Lubrication. Explanation: in applications like bearings and sliding surfaces, the graphite flakes included in cast iron function as lubricants, mitigating wear and friction. 61. What is a common application of cast iron in building construction? A. Window frames. B. Structural columns. C. Roofing material. D. Flooring tiles. Answer: B. Structural columns. Explanation: the strong compressive strength and capacity to support large loads of cast iron make it a popular material for structural columns. 62. What is the typical appearance of wrought iron surfaces? A. Smooth and shiny. B. Rough and coarse. C. Polished and reflective. D. Textured and matte. Answer: D. Textured and matte. Explanation: wrought iron surfaces often have a textured and matte appearance due to the forging process. This texture adds to its visual appeal, especially in decorative applications. 63. Which steel manufacturing process can result in improved magnetic properties? A. Casting. B. Extrusion. C. Forging. D. Annealing. Answer: D. Annealing. Explanation: annealing involves heating and slow cooling of steel, which can refine its microstructure and improve magnetic properties by promoting proper alignment of magnetic domains. 64. In building construction, steel is often utilized for which of the following purposes? A. Waterproofing. B. Thermal insulation. C. Foundation support. D. Soundproofing. Answer: C. Foundation support. Explanation: steel is frequently used in foundation systems, such as piles and beams, to effectively transfer loads to the ground and offer strong support for the building structure. 65. Which building component often utilizes steel for fire protection purposes? A. Windows and doors. B. Roof shingles. C. Fire escapes. D. Sprinkler systems. Answer: D. Sprinkler systems. Explanation: to improve overall fire safety, steel pipes and fittings are frequently utilized in fire sprinkler systems to disperse water and put out building fires. 66. Which kind of structure is mostly used for business purposes, including banks, retail establishments, and offices? A. Industrial building. B. Business building. C. Mercantile building. D. Institutional building. Answer: B. Business building. Explanation: business buildings serve as venues for various commercial transactions and activities, promoting economic endeavors. 67. Which type of building contains establishments like marketplaces and shopping centers where people purchase and sell products and services? A. Institutional building. B. Storage building. C. Mercantile building. D. Business building. Answer: C. Mercantile building. Explanation: mercantile buildings facilitate commercial exchanges and typically feature retail spaces, showrooms, or wholesale outlets. 68. Which type of building is specifically designed for manufacturing, processing, or production activities? A. Business building. B. Storage building. C. Industrial building. D. Mercantile building. Answer: C. Industrial building. Explanation: machinery, equipment, and procedures used in manufacturing or other industrial operations are housed in industrial buildings. 69. Which building type poses specific risks due to the presence of hazardous materials or activities? A. Mercantile building. B. Storage building. C. Industrial building. D. Hazardous building. Answer: D. Hazardous building. Explanation: special measures must be taken in hazardous buildings to reduce dangers to the environment and people due to the presence of hazardous materials or activities. 70. What category of building is primarily used for storing goods, materials, or equipment? A. Business building. B. Hazardous building. C. Storage building. D. Mercantile building. Answer: C. Storage building. Explanation: storage buildings are designed to offer secure and well-organized areas for the storage of a variety of things, from industrial supplies to domestic goods. 71. Which part of a building is typically constructed at ground level and serves as a platform for the structure above? A. Plinth. B. Superstructure. C. Foundation. D. None of these. Answer: A. Plinth. Explanation: the plinth is the horizontal platform constructed at ground level upon which the walls of the superstructure are built. 72. What is the purpose of the superstructure in building construction? A. To provide stability against lateral forces. B. To support the roof. C. To facilitate drainage. D. To anchor the foundation. Answer: B. To support the roof. Explanation: the walls, beams, columns, and floors above the plinth level make up the superstructure, which supports the roof and higher stories. 73. What role does the foundation play in protecting the building from soil-related hazards such as settlement or expansive soil movement? A. Provides aesthetic appeal. B. Facilitates ventilation. C. Distributes loads to prevent settlement. D. Enhances thermal insulation. Answer: C. Distributes loads to prevent settlement. Explanation: the foundation distributes the building loads evenly to prevent uneven settlement and protect the structure from soil-related hazards. 74. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of a building's ground basement? A. It typically houses mechanical and electrical systems. B. It usually contains living spaces. C. It is constructed above the ground level. D. It is primarily used for recreational purposes. Answer: A. It typically houses mechanical and electrical systems. Explanation: HVAC systems, generators, and electrical distribution panels are examples of mechanical and electrical equipment that is frequently housed in ground basements. 75. What is the primary reason for providing a weather drip on a windowsill? A. To add to the visual appeal. B. To direct rainwater away from the wall. C. To support the window frame. D. To provide thermal insulation. Answer: B. To direct rainwater away from the wall. Explanation: a weather drip on a windowsill helps to channel rainwater away from the wall, preventing water ingress and dampness.